How to Photoshop on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store on your iPhone. Once you're here, navigate to the Search tab and use the search bar to look for an application. Type in Photoshop, and from the results, tap on Photoshop Express Photo Editor. On the Apps page, tap on the Get button to begin the download process and confirm with your passcode or Face ID. Once installed, tap on Open to launch the application. After swiping through the introduction, select a photo from your gallery to start editing. The selected photo will now appear in the editor. Now, tap on Looks tab. You can apply filters or adjust the lighting of the photo. You can also add text from the Text tab. Then, tap on Remove Background to change your photo's background. On the Colors tab, you can also choose a new background color from the provided palette. Once you are satisfied, tap on the download icon at the top right to save the edited photo. Your photo will now be saved to your device. Following these steps, you can easily use Photoshop on an iPhone.